Practical skill number 14. Auscultation of the heart. Hello, I'm your doctor Елизавета Vladimirovna. What is your name? How old are you? How are you feeling? Today I will perform a practical skill auscultation of the heart for you. Do you give your consent? Please take off your clothing from the chest, facing the source of the daylight. Put your hands along the body, breathe evenly, calmly. Please turn your head to the left. Lean the upper half of the chest slightly forward. Take a deep breath, exhale, and hold your breath. The rhythm of the heartbeat is regular. The ratio of heart sounds correspond to the norm. The first sound is louder in the first and the fourth points of auscultation. The second sound is louder in the second and third points. Intracardiac movements are not heard. Thank you. You can get dressed.